Tired of paying extra baggage fees? Worried about losing your jewelry or keeping your luggage safe from thieves? Don't worry. In this video, I'll reveal 10 genius travel hacks that will make your trips easier, cheaper, and safer. From magic multi-pocket vests to smart ways to secure your valuables, these simple but effective tricks will change the way you travel forever. Stick around until the end, because the last hack might just be the most important one. 1. The magic multi-pocket vest. Want to avoid extra baggage fees? Wear a multi-pocket vest and stash your essentials inside. Electronics, books, even clothes. Have you tried this travel hack before? Let us know in the comments. 2. Hidden handbag trick. Did you know you can hide your small bag inside a travel vest? Slip it into a large pocket, then take it out once you're on the plane. Clever or risky? You decide. 3. Cotton pad jewelry organizer. Ever lost tiny earrings while traveling? Store them between cotton pads inside a small case to keep them safe and organized. Do you have your own jewelry packing hack? Share it with us. 4. Makeup remover. Hack: say goodbye to bulky makeup wipes. Pre-soak cotton balls in makeup remover, let them dry, then pack them in a sealed bag. Just add water when needed. TSA won't stop you. 5. Zipper lock trick. Protect your luggage from thieves with a simple trick. Use a small carabiner to lock your zippers together, making it harder for pickpockets to get inside. Smart, right? 6. Unique luggage marker. Tired of searching for your suitcase at baggage claim? Attach a bright ribbon or carabiner to your bag to make it stand out instantly. Easy and effective. 7. Hanging toiletry bag. Hack: no space in the airplane bathroom? Use a carabiner to hang your toiletry bag on the door or seat pocket. No more struggling with tiny counters. 8. Travel vest as a pillow. Forget packing a bulky travel pillow. Roll up your vest with soft clothes inside, and you've got a comfy neck pillow. Would you try this? 9. Versatile clothing trick. Pack smarter by choosing multi-use clothing. A scarf that doubles as a wrap dress? A jacket that turns into a travel pillow? What's your best versatile clothing hack? Secret security pocket. Keep your valuables safe with a hidden pocket inside your vest. Cash, passport, or credit cards, out of sight, out of danger. Don't forget to subscribe for more genius travel hacks, and tell us in the comments, which hack will you try first? Blast off sparkles.